TuoLi TL-S02 Digital Display Desktop Purifier. Turn the knob to switch the wind power. Knob 0到100万 in speed adjustment. Rotate counterclockwise to reduce wind shutdown. Demonstrate the purification process. Smoke can't see the product inside. Turn on the wind switch clockwise. Turn clockwise to increase wind. Clean up soon. Open and look at the purification structure inside. Open and look at the purification structure inside. The second layer of medium efficiency purification cotton. The third layer of high efficiency purification cotton. The fourth layer of high efficiency purification cotton. In order to increase suction, non-laser purification can take out the fourth layer of high-efficiency cotton. Recommendation: 7 days replacement for the first layer. Second layer is replaced within 1 month. The third layer is replaced within 3 or 4 months. Used for laser marking glass back blower of mobile phone. Used for laser marking glass back blower of mobile phone. Strong suction and good purification effect. Metal protection modes are safer. Protect other parts such as the camera. Free laser alignment back cover. No need for alignment. Pause or move at any time. No need for alignment. Pause or move at any time. iPhone removes the back cover for a range of protection modes. 8 to 12 Pro Max 13mm Autos